objectives, visions. Often, we don't execute or fail to properly execute them. We all need a little help sometimes, especially when it comes to journeys of self-discovery. Whether your goal is to increase or build self-confidence, or to find fulfillment in a passion project, it can be challenging to understand how to get from point A, identifying a goal, to point B, actually going after and achieving that goal. Let's talk about how it works.
Interested in learning more about improving your well-being? Get the lifetime membership, only $10, and access previous and new videos. Go to www.icoachhypnosis.com/member. Stop smoking, lose weight, or stop anxiety online with renowned master hypnotherapist Trudy. That's right, people throughout the United States have attended Trudy's life-changing stop smoking, weight loss, or anxiety hypnotherapy sessions. And now you can attend them too online. That's right, in the comfort of your own home or office.
Hey Trudy, thank you so much for the work that you do. I am so honored and so pleased to have worked with you. In just the 6 sessions that we did, I was able to break through layers and layers and layers of conditioning and trauma that I had been trying to resolve for years prior to meeting you. And within just 1 or 2 sessions, we were able to resolve it right away. So thank you, Trudy. I really appreciate you.
With Trudy's unique hypnosis approach, you are in control. You hear, move, concentrate with ease and without the effort. You experience powerful modalities such as hypnosis, guided visual imagery designed to destroy bad thoughts, cravings, compulsive emotional behaviors, and most importantly, put you back in control. Trudy's hypnosis sessions are hosted on a platform called Zoom that is HIPAA compliant. It provides you the same privacy and security that you would have as if you were doing a telemedicine appointment with your private physician. This provides you the perfect medium, plus your favorite chair, and yes, online virtual sessions are as effective as in person from the comfort of your home or office. Join the thousands who have turned to the #1 hypnotherapy method for creating healthy habits, from losing weight, stopping smoking, reducing anxiety, and more. And yes, our program is not only for adults, but for children as well. And schedule your consultation today